Mga kapuso! Hello everyone! This is Coach Billy Crawford from Team Believe. Anyways, kasama ko ang napakagaling, napakahusay, napaka-blessed, my new friend and ang iniidolo ng lahat ngayon, Dionella. Bakit hindi? Kung sino naman sa tingin ko yung makakatulong sa mga kids, I think Dionella would be the best person because one, he's super current. Second, ang galing niya. And not very many artists can write, can produce, can perform their own songs. And this guy right here does it all. Sa murang edad niya. I'm twice his age.
Pangarap kong makatungtong sa The Voice.
Kasi hindi umabot.
Dati.
Hindi
Hindi ako
umabot.
nakapasok dati. Madaling araw pa lang nakapila na ako eh.
Oo.
Pero feeling ko, ito yung destiny sa akin.
Mas maganda nga yung destiny sa'yo eh. Mas maganda yung binigay ng Panginoon sa'yo, bro. He gave you the talent to write, to produce, to sing. And now you have one of the biggest songs in our country, bro.
Thank you.
Such an honor to have him here.
Kanina habang nagbibigay ako ng piece of advice sa mga bata, feeling ko, yung 12 years old na sarili ko yung sinasabihan ko.
Diba? Thank you very much for doing
Thank you,
this,
Kuya.
brother.
Thank you so
really,
much.
really appreciate. The kids are super happy and I think lahat, pati yung publiko, hahanga sa sinong mentor natin. Ay, ready na. Alam mo, last year pa kami ready eh. Very nervous, but very, very excited.
And confident.
Yes, and confident.
Confident.